The oscillating tool is the new kid on the block when it comes to popular power tools. The greatest oscillating tools cut metal, wood, and drywall, and with the correct attachment, they can even sand and file. They can also fit into tiny and tricky areas, allowing them to take on work that conventional power tools can't. The BOSCH should be on your list of options to consider if you're looking for a high-quality oscillating tool. This oscillating tool has a 4-amp motor and an adjustable speed range of 8,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute, so you can choose the right speed for the job. It boasts a no-touch, toolless blade change technology that snaps on the blade and gives the tool and blade greater contact area than previous methods. This greater contact area aids torque transfer from the machine to the blade and then to the workpiece, allowing for quicker cutting with less vibration. The BOSCH comes with a travel bag and 32 accessories, including sandpaper, blades, and a separate accessory box. If dust collection is important to you, you may buy a separate connection to connect the BOSCH to your shop vac. Check out this Porter cable kit if you're searching for an oscillating tool that comes with practically everything you'll need to get started. The 3-amp motor in this corded oscillating tool allows for toolless blade replacement. It oscillates at a rate of 10,000 to 22,000 times per minute, making it one of the quickest oscillating tools available. Vibrations are reduced thanks to the rubber overmold grip in the front, center, and back. The Porter cable comes with a 52-piece accessory package, which is rather outstanding. 13 blades, a sanding attachment with many sheets of sandpaper, and a rolling depth gauge are included in the box. It also comes with a durable carrying bag to keep everything in order. If you only need a light-duty oscillating tool for your needs, the BLACK+DECKER might be a good fit. With a 2.5-amp motor and 6 customizable settings ranging from 10,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute, this corded oscillating tool is easy to use. It comes with a wood/metal blade, a sanding attachment, a carrying bag, and numerous sheets of sandpaper. It also includes a universal accessory adapter that allows you to use most blades and accessories with this instrument. While this isn't a heavy-duty tool, it'll do the job in hobbyist workshops and around the house on occasion. Large-scale restoration projects frequently necessitate the use of a high-quality cordless oscillating tool. The Dewalt provides the speed and mobility you want for these tasks. Dewalt's 20V MAX XR battery series powers this oscillating tool, which includes a 2-amp-hour battery and charger. There are 3 speed settings available: 13,000, 17,000, and 20,000 oscillations per minute. The Dewalt includes an integrated LED light that comes in handy while working in dark cupboards or dimly lit areas. It comes with a travel case and a 28-piece accessory set that contains blades, a sanding block and paper, an accessory box, and a rolling depth gauge, among other things. Sanding jobs that necessitate the use of a power sander may be exhausting. The vibrations from a power sander can wear out a light-duty instrument and induce strain. These problems are addressed by Rockwell. It contains a strong 4-amp motor that can handle extended sanding operations, as well as a counterbalance that helps prevent vibration when using it. The Rockwell also boasts a toolless blade changing system, a universal fit system for blades from other brands, and a speed range of 11,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute. It includes a carrying case as well as a 32-piece accessory set with blades, sandpaper, and adapters. The Dremel MM5001 oscillating tool may be the right tool for the task if you have a huge project that requires several cuts. This corded oscillating tool contains a 5-amp motor with oscillation speeds ranging from 10,000 to 21,000 per minute. Its tiny shape allows it to fit into small locations without blocking your view of the workpiece. It also boasts a low-vibration metal head to decrease fatigue and discomfort while in use. 2 less blade swaps and an angled head give a more ergonomic grip on the MM5001. It includes a storage bag and 30 sanding and cutting tools for metal, wood, and drywall.